Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. I don't know what made me go into my YouTube analytics about a week ago, because I don't really pay attention to YouTube analytics, really. But I did, and I saw that I was just about to hit 250,000 views on this channel. And that was amazing to me. So this video is just a thank you shout out to everybody who watches this stuff, me messing around in my garage out here and making stuff. I really, really appreciate it. I would never have thought when I started making stuff on video and sending it out into the world that people were actually going to watch it. So yeah, but then, after I got stoked for a couple minutes, I realized that, there's a lot of people who get more than that many views on one video of them, dropping a basketball off a bridge. So then I got a little bit depressed for a couple of minutes. But then I said that to a buddy of mine, and he had the perfect response. He said, "Dude, your videos are more than 6 minutes long. You're in a niche market providing information of value to people, and your videos aren't targeted for 10-year-olds. So, that's still awesome." And I agree. And now I'm back being happy. About 250,000 views. So I'm gonna give away a coupon code for my Etsy store in celebration of 250,000 views for the next week. So that's until, I don't know what date it is today. I'll put it up on the screen. For 1 week from today, you can get 25% off everything in my Etsy store by entering the coupon code MWTS250K. And everything in the store is 25% off for the next week. To thank all you guys for watching me out here in the shop. And I'll have a link to the Etsy store down below. I'll also have a link to my Patreon page that people support me at over there. And thanks again. I really, really appreciate it. That's it for this one. I just wanted to take a minute and say thank you. Next week we'll have a project. The week after that we'll have a project. Soon there will be videos about the Great Guitar Build-Off Challenge, making my first guitar for an international luthiery contest. At some point, we'll have some videos about that. And you can always stop by on Saturday nights, 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and hang out with me while I turn stuff on the lathe. That's it. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. Bye for now. 250,000 people. Well, no. Probably not, but 250,000 times somebody clicked the button to say that they wanted to watch me mess around in the shop. It's awesome. It's awesome. Bye for now. Well, chair's still broken. Oh, it doesn't even woo or anything. Woo! I wanted it to go woo or something.